Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here, a top leader at iMarketsLive. I want to show you how to use swipe trades and welcome you to it. Excited to be able to go over this product. The first thing that you want to do is download MetaTrader 4. This is the platform that you're going to use to execute trades. And you can find this right on imltrain.com under section 1 on the home page. Download MetaTrader 4, and you want to make sure that you add your existing account, whether it's a demo account or whether it's a live account. So just as a recommendation at first, again, always demo first. Demo first. And I can't tell you that and stress that enough. Always demo first, because you're trying to figure this out before you actually figure it out, okay? So you want to make sure and have a demo account first. Put that into MetaTrader 4 and you'll be good to go on that. Second thing you want to do is download Swipe Trades. That is one word. Just go to your Google Play or App Store, type in Swipe Trades, put it in as one word, install that to your phone, and you'll have that. So now you'll have MetaTrader 4, and then you'll have Swipe Trades. Third, a trade alert will come through when the next trade is sent. So it'll just pop up as a notification on your phone, and then you'll actually be able to see the app there, and you'll see that there will be like a number 1 or a number 2 depending on how many alerts have come through. And then you can actually just press the refresh button top left just to make sure that you have the latest trade. In fact, it's even time date stamped, so you can know when it actually came through. In fact, it says it at the bottom of the screen as well. 4 minutes ago, you'll know when it came through, if it's a new trade or an old trade. It's also going to give you who the trade came from, which trader. It'll give their background and all that kind of stuff. So you can accept or decline the trade. You swipe right to accept it. You swipe left to decline it. You can also press either button, decline or accept, at the bottom of the screen there. Now, fifth, you want to look at the information, and you can even feel free to click on the charts. You can actually zoom in and zoom out on the charts. It's going to show what they see and what they predict for what's going to happen to the trade, and kind of really taking a look at what the trader actually sees. And again, you can see who the trader is and their background and everything. And so those charts there at the top, you can see that. Then what you're going to want to do is open MetaTrader 4, find the symbol. So in this case, you're looking at USDJPY. You can see the time frame is daily. They're looking at the daily chart. The trade type is a sell. The entry price 1, the entry price 2. What that means is that you can actually enter this trade twice because the entry price is different. Okay, so you'd have 2 trades going at once. It is a sell limit, and it's also going to give you the stop loss twice, and it's going to give you the take profit twice. So if it only shows it once, you just enter the trade once. If it shows it twice, then you enter the trade twice. Okay. Now, when you look at the trade size, this is just a simple example. If I have a $1,000 account and the trader says we're going to have a 3% risk, they're recommending 0.04 is what you put in. I'll show you that on the next screen. So if I have a $2,000 account, then I can put 0.08. So if I had a $10,000 account, we're talking about 3%, so that's $300 at risk. You may say, well, I don't know if I want to risk that much, whether it's profit or loss, so maybe do half of that. So it's just up to you, but the traders just give recommendations for what to put through on the lot size, okay? Now, what you do is you simply just look at the info, you copy and paste, and the way you do that, there's a little icon on the right of each one of those fields there. You just click on that, the data is successfully copied. You check to see if it's a sell limit, buy limit, sell stop, buy stop, and so forth. You can see that under market execution. So when you open up your app and the trade is open, just click on market execution. It'll show that there. If it is a instant execution, then you just leave market execution there, and you either click sell by market or buy by market. Again, that information would be given inside of swipe trades if that was the case. Okay, most of the time it's going to be one of the limits on here. Okay. Then all you do again is you just copy and paste the information into each line. So you open it up here. We've got a sell limit open. We've got the lot size. So here it says 0.03, but in this example you put 0.04, and you put the price exactly how it has it. You put the stop loss how it has it, the take profit. So again, I would actually enter this twice. So on the second one, my entry price would be not 105.30, but 106.00. And then you put the stop loss as it has it, and then you put the take profit as it has it. You just scroll down that swipe trades alert, and it will show you that actually on the page. And then again, your lot size can be the same as well. Now, before you press place, verify that the information is correct with what is on swipe trades. You just want to make sure that you put the correct info there, and then you press place. Okay. So now you're actually in the trade. You can simply watch, let it do its thing. You can wait for the next trade alert to come through. And just as a side note, you're free to exit the trades at any time, especially while you're in profit. If you say, hey, I'm up 41 bucks, I'm happy, you just hold down on the trade there, and then you can close that trade out. All right. Otherwise, just let the traders do their thing. They know what they're doing. So you just let it do its thing and go from there. And again, the formula is alert, trade, repeat. So you get the alert, you trade it, you repeat the process over and over and over again. And that's how you can profit in swipe trades. Guys, one of the hottest products in the market today, especially in Forex. Nobody doing what we have here at Swipe Trades. Hope you guys like this tutorial. Share it with others. We'll see you guys at the top.